Hey guys, I hope you all are doing good. So this is news regarding vacancy in Central Bank of India. So the total number of vacancy here for the post of law officer scale 2 is 20, and the total number of seats for general category, the unreserved category, is 9. 3 is for the SC category, 1 is for the ST category, 5 is for OBC, and 2 is for EWS category. The date for online registration, which is tentative date, is 23rd of November, and the closing date will be 17th of December, and the date of examination, which is again tentative, is 22nd of Jan 2022. Now, talking about the eligibility criteria. So, the minimum age for this post is 20 years and the maximum is 35 years. Again, there are age relaxation for the reserve category candidates. You need to have a bachelor's degree in law, and it could either be a LLB, 3-year LLB degree, or a BLLB, BCom LLB, whatever it is. And then after that, you need to have a post qualification experience. You need to be enrolled as an advocate with bar council and 3 years experience of practice at bar or judicial service, and or 2 years. So either you have to have this 3-year experience at the bar or judicial service, or 2 years as a law officer in the legal department of a scheduled commercial bank or the central state government or public sector undertaking. And candidates should produce a certificate of having the requisite post qualification work experience from the court, bar council, organization. Wherever you are working, you need to produce a certificate regarding that you have been practicing as an advocate or as a law officer in department, in whatever department you are working, right? So this is the required qualification. Now, the best thing about this vacancy is, which I really liked, is that so this is the age relaxation. Okay, the best thing about this vacancy is the selection procedure. You need to appear for an online written test and personal interview. So there will be 2 stages only: the preliminary stage and the personal interview. Whoever will qualify the preliminary stage will appear for the personal interview. So there will be an online examination. It will be a MCQ based examination, and there will be a total of 100 questions, out of which 60 questions will be from the specific stream, specific questions, that is the law in our case, and 20 will be from the computer knowledge, and 20 is banking, present economic scenario, and general awareness. So total number of questions will be 100, and the maximum marks is 100. So 1 mark for each question. The time you will be allotted for the paper is 60 minutes, so 1 hour is the time. And important point here is there will be a negative marking of 1/4, that is 0.25. So for every wrong answer, 0.25 will be deducted. The application fee here is 850 for the general category students. As usual, the application fees are very high for banking exams. So similar is the situation here. So 850 plus GST is the application fee, and if in case you belong to a reserve category, that is scheduled caste or scheduled tribe category, then the application fee is 175. For the EWS category, you have to pay 850 only. What a wonderful thing. Anyways, all the best. Thank you for watching. If you have any other question, please feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll try to answer that if in case I know that. And have a great day.